Alright guys, welcome back for this challenge. We're switching the teams up for this gift wrapping challenge now, alright? Yeah, we're going to have to switch.
That's what I'm saying. So in teams, we have to wrap.
We never switch.
Alright, we're not going to top it. I'm going to read the people them scripts now. In teams, we have to wrap an extra large Christmas gift and a tiny Christmas gift. And we have 4 minutes to wrap them all. Can you believe this?
All right, let's go. Come.
Oh, we start already? Oh, okay. Sorry.
Excuse me, please.
Don't worry, there's enough for everybody.
No, lift up the box. Lift up the box.
Okay, sorry. All right, come here.
Yeah.
All right,
put the box there.
But miss wrapping.
Come, Garthy, come. No, Garthy, all right,
Tape,
yeah?
go on, tape.
Hold on, wait.
Here.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, no, tape.
All right, put him down.
Yeah, just tape that right there, so. It's not a problem. Tape round here, so.
All right, let me get this.
It's not a problem.
Okay.
On the top now.
Okay.
Never better.
Tape
Yeah, man, so the tape there, just keep going.
Oh my God.
And tape this, so.
You have it?
Nez, we're naked one at the front here.
And
so
tape this, so. And tape down there, so.
Okay, hold on. Oh Lord.
Yeah, hold on, man. We're good, man. We're good. All right, hold on. Come round this
All right,
side
come
now.
on here, so no.
No,
So,
side.
all right.
Thank you.
All right.
Ready,
yes.
Garthy?
All right, so we know.
Not bad.
Oh, son, Nebs.
Thank you. And tape down there, so.
That is correct into life. Hold on, I put one more right there, so. All right.
Beautiful.
So?
Okay. Hold on now.
Keep him down.
Yes, no.
No, wait, wrong answer with it now. Wrong answer with it. That's everything over there, so. Tape up there, so Debs
Hold on. Hold on, all
He's
right.
the greatest taper
In life.
in the history of
Taping
taping.
Olympics can't miss me.
Cannot.
All right, hold on. Okay.
Yeah. All right now, so.
All right.
Hold on now, Debs.
Ready,
No, we have it
Garthy?
in the Debs. Don't worry. Come here, Debs. More taping over here.
Hold on there.
That's what, Garth?
Tape up a thing there, sir.
No, yeah?
Yeah.
No, hold on.
Oh,
that
get
part
it. All right, hold on. See
Yeah.
there, so they
there. And
know.
hold on this part
All
now.
right, now hold on there.
Yeah.
So we know.
You have it. Down here now.
Garth, beg a piece of tape.
Hold on there. Put the tape right here, so.
Down here now.
Hold on.
2 minutes we have. Over there now.
Hold on.
Put the tape. No, hold the car with the
The
tape.
tape right here, so honey, right to the center.
Yup. Then we fold up this down here
Oh, God.
and tape up that so.
Oh, God. How much we get that tape in here now?
Yeah. Hold on now. How we reach? Wrong answer now.
Names, I don't know
Where is it?
feel about the tape, but how the wrap in here, you know.
I don't know, man. You just have
Alright.
to cover up, you know. We all right.
All right, hold on. I'm almost finished.
Yeah.
All right,
Right there
so.
again.
Ow. All right. Let's see if we can do this like so.
And there again.
Whoa. Build the grit.
And we don't answer now.
Hold on.
How are we there now? Wrong answer now.
I didn't even know.
See we are now.
32 Lyndhurst Road.
Right? We have 1 minute. Our thing can have like a character, you know, so we don't have to cover up
Call in
everything.
character, you're Freddy, exactly.
No, right there, so. Just
Right
right there,
here,
so
sir?
and we're done the argument.
All right.
This is off at top.
Yeah.
We need to cut off a little piece off, right?
Listen, you see ours? And this come from foreign.
50 seconds, them say, watch out, we have them, you know. And right there, so.
You got it, Garthy?
Just about.
Oh, Gatti. Watch out.
Garthy. Don't forget the TH, Garthy.
Right?
And
Exactly.
wrong answer.
Boy, I don't know if Santa would have feel good at all about this self-work.
Vietnam, man.
Santa, would I give him more time?
No, me I'll show you. How we win.
I think so too. Boy. Oh God, if this is what the elves have to
right.
go through every Christmas, boy, may I tell you, them deserve it. Guys,
Last one, come now. 15 seconds away. Come now, Debs.
huh? Hold on. It's because the floor manager giving me instructions.
Right here, Deb, right here.
Hold on, I see. Where
Right there.
part? Okay,
2,
hold on. Okay.
1. Them say we're
finished.
done.
All right.
No, but watch out. No, but I'm going to show you what we did because no, we show a little character because we have to carry things. So
Guys,
We wrapped both our gifts.
Both.
No, well, we not.
Okay.
We wrap both
That's
our
what
gifts.
she
Simple.
That's simple, very things.
Here.
We
I
wrapped
will even open
Both.
it. Drop it in there.
Thank you.
Both our gifts are wrapped.
Right?
And
Okay.
Both of our gifts are
Hold
wrapped.
on, no. And then you see, because this gift we're giving to somebody that we don't like so much, we just flang it in our house after we pass them.
Guys, I think we won this one.
Absolutely, we did.
How is that? Don't it work?
Very well wrapped gift.
Yes.
Don't it work?
Very well wrapped gift.
Yes.
Okay.
There we go.
We never told like the neighbor, we just say flag it over there.
Hang it over here. Pay up fast.
If you flick it over here, flick it over here.
That's a gift of fast. You know, our
Wait,
gift is all
wait,
here.
hold on, let me get out of the way.
All right, we soon come. We soon come.